There's no denying that the new Subarus absolutely are horrendous with storage space. Absolutely suck with them. There's no cubbies, there's no nothing in the back. It's just, they suck. For $10 on Amazon, you can get this bad boy. What is this? It's something that Subaru should have done from the get-go. It's a cubby with a pocket to replace your factory fuse panel cover. For $10, whatever the hell the price is, it's like $10 or $12. I think you can get Rally Sport Direct now, or Amazon still has it. It's called the Jessica Alba some shit. It's called the Jessica Alba whatever. I don't know why that's the name, but that's the name. Probably the easiest part you guys will ever install. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. That's it. I will say the textures are not 100%, however, I don't really care. It's close enough. It's also so low that you're never really gonna see it. So again, the Jessica Alba pocket. This also fits 2020 Outbacks, just so you know.
Real